Howdy folks! Today I'd like to tell you about ECO Graywater Filtration Systems. What exactly is gray water? Gray water comes from your shower, your washing machine, or even your bathroom sink, which flows into the ECO Graywater Filtration tank. Water from your dishwasher or kitchen sink cannot be used. Once the water flows into the ECO Graywater tank, it goes through a two-stage filter and is automatically pumped out to irrigation, where you can water your trees, landscape, orchards and fruit trees, flowers. Sensitive plants such as avocados, roses, and grass cannot be watered. Why is gray water such a good idea? You can water consistently all year long, reuse the water that you've already paid for, creating healthy plants which provide stable soil, habitat for wildlife, and protection from wildfires. ECO Graywater Filtration System has a patent pending on our design, which we want to be simple to install for DIYers, or we can provide full installation. The tank can be above or below ground, and the irrigation lines can run to almost any place on your property. Our system is designed for low maintenance, and we can provide full service maintenance plans as well. Call us or stop by our store to find out more information about our ECO Graywater Filtration Systems.